Hello, this is EJ Webbs here, and I'll be opening up 3 packs of Gaurdians Rising. I got them at Walgreens for $3.99 a piece, and they mainly have Gaurdians Rising singles, a couple Sun and Moon singles, but Gaurdians Rising is what they have the most. They're the cheapest at Walgreens, but don't have much of a variety, so I'm going to open these up, get the packs out. I really like the sleeves that they come in because when I first got into Pokemon cards back when Diamond and Pearl was around, they came in like plastic containers and they weren't as nice. But here we go. Got 3 packs of Gaurdians Rising, 2 with a little Ninetales and 1 with Tapu Chicken. Here we go. Oh yeah, give you the code. Oh, jeez. Gotta feel this back card to see if nope. Let's try to feel if it's good. Okay, Phantom, Helioptile, Professor Cable like that, Beldum, Tentacool, Clefairy. I'm getting some cards I don't have before. Water Energy, Sudowoodo, Batang, Komala. The reverse is a Sudowoodo, that's an uncommon, and the rare is a Honchkrow. Nothing out of that pack. Let's see if Tapu Chicken can give us some luck. Even if I do get normal rare cards, it's sometimes nice if I don't have that card. Like I don't have that Honchkrow. It's nice for completing the set. This pack won't open. Hands are kind of sweaty because I was just outside walking for these at Walgreens. It's a code. Oh, this is really weird. Okay. Wilmer, Trubbish, Jangmo-o, Wimpod, Gumi, Wimpod Reverse, crap I mixed up, Patrick again, Weepinbell, Fletchender, Sliggoo, and a Gudra Hollow, and then the last card is the Lightning Energy. I screwed up that pack trick. But getting a Hollow's nice. Gudra Hollow. Last pack. Hollow's nice and all, but I need a GX. Only 2 GXs to show out of, I don't know. Okay, for some reason, my phone ran out of storage, so I had to clear some stuff up. So I wasn't able to get that last pack on the recording, but doing another abridged version of it. I believe this is the code. Okay, when are we gonna get out of this pack? Phantom, Castform, Nosepass, Delibird, Rockruff, Slowbro, Machoke, Lampent, Water Energy, Burst Hollow, and Gothitelle. Okay, that's actually what out of the last pack. What was out of that last pack? So the only thing to summarize is Gudra Hollow. Better than nothing, but still would have liked a GX. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you guys later. Goodbye.